Lovelies, I am back with a flip through of one of my custom order Christmas journals that I have completed. And I just wanted to show you all how it turned out, and yeah, just really loving it, loving the way it's turned out. It's very jingly, very Christmassy, jangly, jangly. And yes, I love it. So this is a custom order. It has been sold, but I just wanted to show you how it turned out. And you know, look, it is very Christmassy. So this is the front cover, and just has this gorgeous image on the front, and it's on just some Christmas cardstock. And that is doubled up and has been sewn all the way around, and just decorated that up with some fabric, some eyelash trim, some rickrack, a poinsettia, felt poinsettia, and some beautiful lace that I purchased recently, which I just love. And it's not, usually I use wider lace, and that just covers the binding, but the binding, yeah, the signature, but I still love it. I think it came out great. It has got organza, white organza ribbon to tie it up, and then as you can see, I've put these jangly bells on some paper clips just to dangle there, just to give it some lovely sound there and Christmas vibes there. Right, okay, so in the front cover, now I have used, I think this is a Tsunami Rose kit, but I've also got Artie Mays, all sorts of ephemera in here, so I'm not quite sure where all of it has come from. If there's anything you're interested in particular, ask and I will let you know, and I can always get back to you and let you know where it's from. I know that these tags are Artie Mays. This was from an old book. It was the Christmas Fairy from one of my fairy books, and I've just put it on coffee dyed paper and sewn a button and just sewn all the way around. This was a tag from Artie Mays from one of her kits, and I'm not sure where I got this from, but I just loved it. To whoever for being good, Merry Christmas from Santa, and I used it as a pocket. And these lovely journaling pages, and I've used this lovely bobbly pom-pom trim. I've used it, actually I've done white, red, green and white, so this is a lot of pom-poms on it. We've gone mad on the pom-poms this time. So we've got lots of coffee dyed paper. This is a little envelope which I've put a lovely little bow, and inside here is a tag which I've just put some ribbon on, and then I've just put that on with a paper clip with one of the bell jangles. And this is actually, oops, let me just pull this off. This is from a pull out, and it's a copy of an old Hamleys advert that was in the Good Housekeeping book. I just loved it, and it's got all the, this was 1923, so I just thought that that was really cool to have in there. Now I've got to get this back on. Oh my goodness me. Now this video will be going up today, which is Tuesday, but I actually filmed this video last week. If that makes sense. What happened was I filmed it last week. It didn't make sense, did it? I filmed it last week, but I'm putting it up on Tuesday. I filmed it, and then I went to upload it today, which is Tuesday. I'm so sorry, I got all confused there. What happened was, okay, I went to upload it today and realised that it hadn't filmed properly. It had really, the sound was awful, so I had to refilm it, and I will upload it today. But it was actually filmed last week, and then I've had to refilm it, so that's what I meant by that. So this actually, oh my gosh, has been made, you know, for a while now, and I just hasn't got it up loaded. So now, hopefully today, hopefully when I finish filming this, it will be okay. So, oh, dear me, I'll tell you, it's late in the day, and I've had a bit of a traumatic day today. So, never mind. Right, okay. Oh, waffled there, didn't I? Then we've got this lovely glittery paper. Just gorgeous. And then what I've done, this was like a gift bag, and you'll see the other side of it in here somewhere, wherever it is, with the pull string there, look. And I've turned it into a pocket, and I just love the way that turned out. So this is the one side of it, and I've just literally cut it up and then put a little baggie in here, and this has got some little goodies in there. And then more coffee dyed paper, a piece from an old kid's book with some ribbon. Oh, some I was making sure the glue didn't get on this page. A gift tag that I made from some fabric, and a Peter Rabbit die cut. And then it's just got some ribbon, and there's a little tuck spot there. And then this music is Robin Redbreast, so I found a die cut with a robin on, and then we have this backed onto some coffee dyed paper and just tucked there. And then here we have these lovely cards, and like I said, I can't remember where I got these from. Then we've got some more of this pom-pom trim. This is Artie Mays. And then we have some vellum, some just Christmas paper, and then I've made a fabric pocket, and Artie Mays again. And then this is just a little Stampin' Up little paper clip that I made with years ago actually, so I thought I'd pop that in. And just some collage in, some sequin, red sequins on there. More coffee dyed paper. Like I said, I think this is Tsunami Rose. In fact, I'm sure it's Tsunami Rose. And then more coffee dyed. Just lovely. Look at this. December the 24th. And then December the 25th. And then this is just a little file folder flip out, and it's just got some coffee dyed paper in there for more journaling. And then some more of the bells. Oh, goodness me. Honestly, I've had a real day today. Well, the last couple of days have been very, very hectic, and I haven't been at home, so it's been quite sort of all over the place with things. So, you know, when you've been away from home and you just need to play catch up, I'm just doing that at the moment. And then I went to do my uploading and found out that I hadn't filmed properly. Oh, sometimes happens, doesn't it? And then we have a little tuck spot there with a little die cut robin, some more ephemera. Why is it you can never get it back how you had it? There you go. And then more coffee dyed paper. And some of these pages are actually doubled up. So you've got the printable, and then I've put it on coffee dyed, and I've sewn around it to make it more thicker, and it makes it a bit crinkly as well. And then we have some more coffee dyed, some more of the printables. Gorgeous images here, and some writing space there as well. And then I made this, it's an envelope actually. It's just an envelope which I made my envelope punch board. And has it got anything in there? No, oh dear, no, it's nothing, got nothing in there. I need to glue that back down now. But what I did was I put a tag on the front of the envelope, and I've just glued it around 4 sides and made another little pocket there. and I made a little pocket there with some printables from Artie Mays, and then I put this on the card, and I've made a little dangle, and it's got a little reindeer on. So you've got a pocket within an envelope. So I just thought that'd be a bit different, and that goes on there. And then on this side we have I was sent this actually from, I think, the lovely Linda. This came in Happy Mail last Christmas. He's just so lovely. So I'm going to pop him in there. He's like peeping out there. And this is just matching DSP. And then we've got just a little die cut and a lovely Christmas image. Doilies, that acetate vellum. Oh dear goodness. Then more pom-pom trim. And then I've just put some little, these were just from one of our craft shops, this little stocking, and some more ephemera. And then here I have made, this was one of them little colouring pads, you know, the adult colouring pads, and I've just ripped a couple of pages out and put a brad and made a little flip out there, and I just put a little bit of tinsel, and they're supposed to jingle, those bells, but they don't. And then we've got some ephemera, and one is a old recipe, fruit and spice cakes. And then we've just got that tucked in there. It's a little bit of fun. Some lovely lace. And then this is the other side of that bag. And as you can see, look, you can pull that closed like that if you wanted to put something in it. But I've just put this image of cats at Christmas because I love my cats, and I like to put cats in most of my journals if I can. So I've just made that into a little pull-out journaling spot. And then a little tuck spot there with some more ephemera. And then at the back we have a little pocket and some more ephemera there. So as you can see, this one is jam-packed, and it's just turned out wonderful. Absolutely loving it. So I hope you've enjoyed this flip through. I'm so sorry if sometimes I waffle, and it is quite late in the day and I'm trying to do 100 things at once, but I just wanted to share this all with you. So I will see you all soon. So probably tomorrow I'm going to do a catch-up video and show you some of the journals that I had completed over the last couple of weeks that are on my Etsy shop. Just want to do a video for all of those because I've been doing them in kind of separate videos, but think it might be better to just do it in one big one. So I'm going to love you and leave you, and I shall see you all very, very soon. So take care for now. Bye, my lovelies. Bye-bye.